What's up, lovely people of the internet? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the OGIO Metro. This is one of the best backpacks you will ever find on the market. If you are looking for something durable, long-lasting, elegant, then this is it. This backpack is built with high-quality material and I can guarantee you it is going to last you a very long time. This is my second time buying this backpack. The first one lasted me like 6 years of heavy usage. I used it every day, carrying heavy laptops, heavy books. It's going to carry pretty much everything that you throw at it. To make it even better, this backpack has so many pockets and so many compartments for carrying different kinds of stuff. We're gonna go through all of them in this video. For more detailed information about this awesome OGIO Metro backpack, feel free to check the description section. I'm gonna add everything down there. I will also put the links as to where you can find this backpack. Right now I'm gonna do a quick overview of this bag. Like I said before, it's built of high quality materials. There are so many pockets for putting different kinds of stuff. This backpack pretty much has it all. The description says it can fit up to 17-inch laptops, but I think 15-inch laptop is what you should get for this backpack. There are so many compartments for putting different kinds of stuff. So many pockets that's gonna fit different kinds of items. A little bit later, I'm gonna do a quick check of how much stuff you can put in this backpack. There is a water compartment on the side. You can lock it up with a zipper. The only downside is that this backpack is not going to fit bigger water bottles. That's the only downside. It's built of high quality materials, very durable, will last you a very long time. I used my previous one for over 6 years at university, carrying heavy books, laptops, pretty much everything. So right now we're gonna see what kinds of stuff can go into this backpack. The backpack can camouflage, meaning if you put small stuff, it's still gonna look elegant. The way they designed it, it can camouflage to the amount of items that you put inside. So what we just put in there right now is the iPad Pro. I'm showing you guys the back of the backpack, some of the pockets. Just look at all those cutouts, look at all those compartments. It has pretty much everything to fit all of your stuff. So we're gonna continue. So this one right here can put other stuff as well. You can put pens here, you can put a sandwich, whatever you want, you can put it there. On the side is for the water bottle. It's the only downside of this bag. You cannot put a bigger water bottle. If you manage to fit it in there, you won't be able to use the zipper. And this one right here is the Logitech MX Master 3 with the hard shell carrying case. Let's see where it's gonna fit. Oh, we still have this in here. So take a look, guys. The mouse just fit in there on the side with the case on. Isn't that awesome? Alright, let's continue adding some stuff into this awesome backpack. Highly durable. So this one right here is the Predator Helios laptop. I think it's 17.5 inches. It could not fit in this bag, which is why I was saying if you're buying it, make sure you have a 15-inch laptop. The description says 17-inch laptops, but I'm not so sure about that. So we're gonna check out this other small laptop that I have. This is the 14-inch Dell XPS. A 15-inch laptop, a 14-inch laptop can fit this bag properly. Okay, so far we have the iPad Pro and the laptop in the bag. And just look at it, still looks elegant. The way they designed it, it can camouflage to fit pretty much everything you throw at it. Let's continue. Now we're gonna try and see how many books we can fit inside. All these are heavy books. Here we go, we're gonna put the first one. Now put the second one. Put the third one. Heavy books. This backpack is built to last. If you want durability, this is it. Okay, I think I can still fit some more stuff. I like how the back can camouflage to all the items that you put inside. The strap is durable, it's not gonna break. There is a reason I used mine for 6 years. Heavy usage daily. Still strong enough to go the distance. And this is it, guys. This is the OGIO Metro Backpack. Feel free to check out more information in the description section. I think I'm done for the day. If you're new here, subscribe for more videos like this. Until then, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.